Good morning, dear students. Today we are going to continue with the further part of the lesson HCF and LCM. And in today's video, we are going to study about the LCM. LCM means least common multiple. So what is least common multiple? LCM of the given numbers is the smallest number that is divisible by each of the given numbers. So they will give you certain numbers and you have to find the LCM. Means what you have to find? You have to find the smallest number which will be divisible by each of the given numbers. Okay. So we have learned about LCM in standard 6. So let's recall about it. So now we will solve the question which is given on page number 19, that is write the tables of the given numbers and find their LCM. So I have taken the first sum, that is numbers are 6 and 7. Okay. So first we are going to write the number. What is the number? Yes, the number is 6. And now we are going to write the 6 table. So 6 ones are 6. 6 twos are 12. 6 threes are 18. 6 fours are 24. 6 fives are 30. 6 sixes are 36. 6 sevens are 42. 6 eights are 48. 6 nines are 54. And 6 tens are 60. So here we have written 6 table till 10. Okay. So now after writing 6 table, we are going to write 7's table. So I have written 7's table here. 7 ones are 7, 7 twos are 14, 3's are 21, 28, 35, 42, 49, 56, 63 and 70. After writing 7's table, what are we going to do, students? We are going to find the common multiple. Yes, whatever we have written, these are the multiples. From these multiples, we are going to find out the common multiple. And common multiple, whatever we are going to search, that one should be smaller because it is least common multiple. So if you will say 6 is not common, 14 is not common, no 18, nothing from here. If you will see directly 42 we are getting common. Yes? So we can underline this and we can write here 42. Therefore, LCM of 6 and 7 is 42. So this is the method which we used last year to find out the LCM of the given numbers. So here on page number 19, they have given you 3 sums. Out of that I have solved one. You are going to solve this one and then the remaining 2. Okay. Now, in your CW, you might have finished in practice set 12. Yes or no? So, after practice set 12, you are going to write least common multiple, that is LCM. What is its definition? This one you are going to write. Then you will write this question and then you are going to solve this sum. After solving this sum, there are 2 more sums on page number 19. So you are going to solve those 2 sums after this sum and do this everything in your CW. Okay. So now let's learn how to find the LCM of 60 and 48. Okay. So see, in the textbook they have given, let us find the prime factors of each number. So they have used, you can use vertical arrangement. And you can find the prime factors. We have solved one full practice set. How to find the prime factors. So the prime factors of 60 are 2 into 2 into 3 into 5. After that we are going to find the prime factors of 48. So the prime factors are 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. Now what we are going to do, students? We are going to consider each prime number in this multiplications. Okay. Now the first prime number, that is 2. So 2 occurs maximum 4 times. See here, in 60 it is 2 times and in 48 it is 4 times. So 2 occurs maximum of 4 times in which factors? In factors of 48. Next prime factor what we can see in both the multiplication is 3. So here in 60 it is 3 is 1 time and in 48 also 3 is 1 time. So we can write here 3 occurs only once in the factors of 60. And you can also write here in the factors of 48. Now next. 5 is the factor present in 60 also, but it is not present in 48. So you can write here 5 occurs only once in the factor of 60. So therefore what will be the LCM? Maximum 2 is 4 times. So we are going to write 2 into 2 into 2. Next 3 is 1. So we are going to write 3. And 5 is 1. So we are going to write 5 ones. Yeah. So this will be the factors of LCM of 60 and 48. What is that? 2 into 2, 4. 4 2s are 8. 8 2s are 16. Yeah. Then, or you can also 16. Then, what they have done? 16 into 3 into 5 will give us 240. Got it? Otherwise, see how they have done. They have done 2 2s are 4. 4 2s are 8. Yeah. And they have multiplied and got the answer 240. So this is one way to find the LCM. Now just see in the textbook. Find the LCM of 18, 30 and 50. So see they have used here horizontal way and found out the LCM. 18's first factor will be, it will come in 2 stable, that is 2 nines are. Then 2 we will write as it is, we have 9. 9 is a composite number. For it will come in 3 stable, 3 is a prime number, so we are going to write 3 into 3. So factors of 18 are 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3. Now next number is 30. So it comes in 2 stable. 2 how much are? 2 15s are. So we are going to write 2 into 15. Next this 2 write as it is down. 15 will come in 3 stable. 3 is a prime number. So we are going to use it. 3 5s are 15. So factors of 30 are 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 5. Next we are going to find the factors of 50. 50 is again divisible by 2. So we are going to write 2 into 25 will give us 50. So write down these 2 down. Now 25's factor we are going to find out. 25 comes in 5 stable. 5 5s are. Yes or no? So we are going to write 50's factors as 2 into 5 into 5. Got it, students? So now here we are having the prime numbers in all these 3 multiplications. They are 2 we are having, 3 we have and we have 5. Yes or no? So 2, 3 and 5 are the prime numbers that occur in the multiplications above. Yes. So see next. In the products above, the number 2 occurs a maximum of dash time. See here it is once, here it is once, so and here also it is 1. So you will write in this box 1. Okay. Now 3 occurs a maximum of dash time. You can see here 3 twice, here it is only once and here it is not there. So maximum how much time it occurs? 2 times. So we will write here 2. Next 5 and 5 a maximum of dash time. Here we don't have 5. Here we have once and here we have twice. So we will write here 2. So 2 occurs only one time So we'll write here only 2. 3 occurs 2 times. So we will write 3 into 3, and 5 also occurs 2 times. So we will write 5 into 5. If you will multiply this 2 into 3 into 3 into 5 into 5, you will get 450. Thus, therefore the LCM of 18, 30 and 50 is 450. So this is one method to find the LCM. And next is the method we can find the LCM by prime factor method. Same like how we have found of HCF, same way the next method is. So now let's get started with that method. Let us now find out the LCM of the given numbers. So we are going to use the prime factor method, and we are going to find out the LCM by vertical arrangement. Okay. So first I am going to write the numbers as it is. That is 16. Next number is 28 and the third number is 40. So I'll use the vertical arrangement and use the prime factor method and find out its LCM. It is same like the method how we use to find the HCF. Okay, so now let's get started. First, what we have to do, students? We know the prime numbers. What are the prime numbers? Yes, 2, 3, 5, 7 and so on are the prime numbers. So the first prime number is 2. Yes, so we are going to select this 2 and we will check whether all these three numbers are divisible by 2 or no. Okay, so let's check. So if you will see, then the first number is 16, which has 6 at units place. Next number is 28, which has 8 at units place. And the last number is 40, which has 0 at units place. So 6, 8 and 0. These three numbers are divisible by 2. So all these three numbers are also divisible by 2. So the first prime number which we are going to take, that is 2. Okay. So I am writing here 2. Now 2 stable, do we get 16? Yes. 2 how much are 16? Correct. 2 8s are 16. So here we are going to write 8. Now 2 stable, can we get 28? Yes, see here, if you know the tables, you can directly write here 14. If you don't know what you have to do, 2 1s are 2, 2 4s are 8. Now 2 stable, can we get 40? Yes, because 2 2s is 4. So we will write here 2 2s are 4. And 2 zeros are 0. So we have got 2 20s are 40. Now after this we are going to see the next prime number, or we are going to check whether these three numbers are divisible again by one prime number or no. So again we will check by 2. Are these three numbers divisible by 2? Yes, you can tell easily because 2 stable you all know. In that 2 stable you have 8, 14 and 20. So all these three numbers are divisible by 2. So we can write here 2 4s are 8, 2 7s are 14 and 2 10s are 20. So we are going to we have found now 8, 14s and 20s test of divisibility. Now we have got 4, 7 and 10. Now will these three numbers 4, 7 and 10 come in any single table? No, because 7 is a prime number, so it will come in 7's table. But 4 and 10 will not come in 7's table. Now we are learning how to find LCM. Yes, so till here we got the test of divisibilities of 2 because all the three numbers were divisible by 2. Even here all these three numbers were divisible by 2. But now all the three numbers will not be divisible by one number. Yes? And we have to find the LCM. So see what we do in further. So this is the new thing what you are going to learn. This is the HCF. In HCF we have learned this much. But now what to do in LCMC? Now three numbers are not divisible. Yes? These three numbers are not divisible by any table, any one single number. Then we will search for at least two. Then we can see that 4 and 10 come in one table. So we can see that 4 and 10 is divisible by 2. So what we will do? We will write here 2. And 2 2s are 4 and 2 5s are 10. But 7 is not divisible by 2. So what we are going to do, students? We are going to write this 7 as it is. So I am writing this 7 here as it is. Okay. Now you can see that the numbers which we have got here in this row, all of them are prime numbers and they are only divisible by 1. So we have to stop here. Means we have got our LCM here. Did you understand? So now see last step how to find the LCM. So you are going to write here LCM is equals to. So the numbers in the first column here, what are those? 2, 2 and 2. First I will write it down and take 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2. And the numbers in the last row that are this one 2, 7 and 5. That I will write and take. That is 2, 7 and 5. So all these factors which are there in first column and last row are the factors which when we will multiply we will get the LCM. So now just tell me 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16. Okay, so we'll write here 16 into 7 5s are 35. Now if we'll multiply 16 into 35 in rough work, we will get the answer 560. So the LCM of these three given numbers is 560. Is 560. So here we have found out the LCM by using prime factor method. So you can write down these notes in your CW before the previous notes. So now let us see the next type of questions in LCM, that is find the LCM and HCF of 18 and 30. So what we have to do here? We have to find the HCF also and LCM also of the given numbers. So what are the given numbers? Yes, 18 and 30 are the given numbers. And later on what we have to do? Just see. Compare the product of the LCM and HCF. Product means multiplication. So we have to multiply the HCF and LCM. Here we are going to find the HCF and LCM. And when we find the HCF and LCM of these two numbers, we have to multiply them. And we have to compare their multiplication with the given number. The given numbers means after this we have to multiply this given number and their multiplication, given numbers multiplication, we have to compare with the product of the HCF and LCM. It's very simple. See students, pay attention carefully. We will solve stepwise and I know you all will understand it. Okay? Pay attention. As you pay attention, you will understand how to solve this kind of sums. So see, first we will take down the given numbers. What are the given numbers? Yes, 18 and 30. These are the given numbers. So first we will find out its HCF. What is HCF? HCF means both these numbers should be divisible by the same number. So first prime number is 2 and both the numbers are divisible by 2. Yes or no? Yes. 2 9s are 18 and 2 1s are 2. 1 is remaining. We will give further. It will become 10. That is 2 5s are 15. So see students, 2 9s are 18 and 2 15s are 30. So 18 and 30 both were divisible by 2. So 2 is the HCF. Now, in this sum, we have to find LCM also. Yes or no? So, further we are going to solve. Then when we solve further, we will forget what was the HCF. Yes, so one idea I am giving to you all, it's not there in the textbook, I am just telling for you all to keep in mind. We are going to find the further part, yes, but before that we have understood that 2 is divisible by both these numbers. That means 18 and 30 both are divisible by 2. Means 2 will be its HCF. Yeah. So what we will do here, we'll give a small dot inside by 2. This dot will tell us that 2 is divisible by both this number. Means 2 is our HCF. Now the next numbers, what are those? 9 and 15. Is 9 and 15 divisible by 2? No. Then we will go to the next prime number. What is the next prime number? Yes, the next prime number is 3. Are 9 and 15 divisible by 3? Yes. 3 how much are? Correct. Both are divisible. See, yeah? 3 3s are 9. 3 5s are 15. So 9 and 15, both these numbers are divisible by 3. So students, 3 is also the HCF. So I'll once again give here a dot. Okay, this dot will tell me that 2 and 3 both are HCF. So now we will check whether 3 and 5 are divisible by one single number. Are they divisible, students? No, 3 is a prime number and 5 is a prime number. Means they will come, 3 will come either in 3's table and 5 will come in 5's table. Yes, so here these two numbers are not divisible by one common table. Yes, there is one number that is 1. What is that? Yes, they are divisible by one table, that is 1. If 1 is, both the numbers are divisible by 1, means here we have got our LCM. Yes, see, 3 is divisible by 3 and 1 and 5 is divisible by 5 and 1. 1 is common in both of them. Yes, so we can use here 1. As we get 1 as a common table in both of the numbers, that means we have got the LCM. So what is the LCM? 2 and 3, whichever I have put as dot, that is also the LCM, and 3 and 5 from the last row is also the LCM. First we will write the HCF. Okay, so I'll write here HCF is equals to and LCM is equals to. What is our LCM? The dotted two numbers are our LCM. What are these two numbers? 2 and 3. We are going to multiply them. 2 3s are 6. So 6 is our HCF. And now what is our LCM? These two numbers from the first column. What are those? 2 and 3. So I'll write here 2 multiplied by 3. And the two numbers from the last row, they are 3 and 5. So I'll write here 3 and multiplied by 5. So all these are the LCM. 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 5. Just carry out the multiplication. 2 3s are 6. 6 3s are 18. 18 5s are 90. So students, 90 is our LCM. Okay. So we got HCF, we got LCM. So the first part of the question, that is find the LCM and HCF of 18 and 32 is done. Yes or no? Now what we have to do? We have to compare the product of LCM and HCF. So we will multiply this HCF and LCM. Okay. So let us write down. So see the product of HCF and LCM. What is our HCF? Yes, our HCF is 6. Yes. So we are going to write 6 here. Multiplied by LCM. What is our LCM? 90. So multiply 6 nines are 54 and 0, that is 540. Yes. Next, they are telling us to compare this with the product of given numbers. So I have written here the product of the given numbers. Given numbers are what? 18 and 30, and its product means multiplication. 18 threes is 54 and 0 means again we are getting 540. Yes or no? So can you see both of their product is equal? Yes or no? So we can say that the product of the two given numbers, that means this 540, is equals to the product of HCF and LCM, that is this. And is it equal? Yes, so it is proved that the given numbers will be equal to the product of their HCF and LCM. So before the previous notes, write down these notes in neat handwriting in your CW.